welcome to our Zen Den. My name is Valerie. Thank you so much for being here. So today I'm gonna try to make a smoky Valentine's Day look. I've actually never tried this before and I've never done it myself, so I'm scared, but I'm gonna try it anyways and hopefully it comes out well. So let's get started. Okay, so I've been doing this for the past like 2 videos, and before we get started I just wanted to ask you guys to please consider subscribing. I am trying to reach a goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so I would be so grateful if you help me out with that goal. Also, don't forget to give it a like and leave me a comment because that really helps with the algorithm on YouTube for my little channel. So if you guys can do that for me, I would really appreciate it. Okay, so I just primed my eyes, and everything that I'm wearing, by the way, is going to be down below in the description because I did not want this video to be 20 minutes long, so I just wanted to do my face already. Okay, so behind the scenes I was kind of struggling, but I think I'm going to use the Violet Voss Coral Crush eyeshadow palette, and I'm also going to use the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe Volume 2 palette. I'm so nervous. Why am I so nervous? I feel like it's gonna, I know it's gonna come out cute. I just like, okay, so I'm actually gonna start with the lightest shade first because I am terrified of ruining this look from the get-go. So okay, so if you're an OG, you know that this is my favorite blending brush, and this is coincidentally from Alamar Cosmetics. This is just a blending brush. It doesn't have a name or a number or anything. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom you guys in better so you can get a closer look on my eyes. I feel like I'm a floating head, just like. Okay, so I'm gonna begin with this is like one of my favorite shades from this palette. It's this beautiful like peachy shade, and it's a perfect transition shade. Okay, so a little quick pause. My hair is driving me crazy. I swear to God, this dye that I bought, I don't know what it is, but it's already like it's turning bleach again on the roots, and I don't understand why. And it's not because I washed it, because obviously that's what's supposed to happen, but this literally happens like days after I dyed it because I pushed my hair behind my ear and it started fading around this area. So I don't think a dye is supposed to do that because I've dyed my hair for years already, different fun colors, and that's never happened before. So if you're trying to dye your hair like a fun color, stay away from, I'm gonna put it somewhere up here because I don't really know the name. I got it off Amazon though, but I got it because it had amazing reviews and it just did not perform well. So maybe I'm doing something wrong, I don't know. Let me know if you guys have had a similar experience because it's weird. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Alamar palette, and I'm gonna use this beautiful pink shade called Flamingo, and I'm gonna use my Morphe R, it's like faded, oh my god, can I even see this? Okay, it's my Morphe R39 brush. These Alamar colors are hella pigmented, so I have to go in with a super light brush. So I'm just gonna grab it and just place it close to my little crease area. By the way, thank you all, because my videos have been doing so much better than before views wise, and that just means so much to me. Like I can't even believe it when I see it go up and up and up on views. I'm like, how is this happening? So I just want to thank you guys. I really appreciate it. Like seriously, it's awesome to see that, and it just makes me feel like I can reach my goals, like I can actually reach them, and maybe at a faster pace than before. So just yeah, thank you so much for that. So my cat just woke up and he wanted to say hi. Say hi. Hi, baby. Oh, he's so cute. I love you so much. So now that I'm done with the Flamingo shade, I am going to go back in with the blender brush and just blend out the hard edges between the 2 shades. Okay, so feel free to go back and forth with the 2 shades that I just used because that is literally how I perfect my looks. I go back on it 20 times over just so they can blend and you can't see the line that divides it. So take your time. That is what I do. That is what helps me with anxiety. So that's why I love doing makeup so much, and it just takes me away from all the worries that I have in my little head. I'm gonna go back in with the Alamar palette, and I'm gonna use this brush. It doesn't have a name or a number or anything. The brand is called Inmo. If I find the name and everything, I will definitely list it down below so you guys can know what I'm using. But it's just this flat-ish brush kind of, and I feel like this is perfect for packing in color, which is what I'm about to do. And I'm terrified because I'm gonna go in with this black shade called Caballeros. So a suggestion is to just start applying this color from your eyelash area up, just because you don't want to have like such a huge divider like up there in the crease area. So just work your way up because I feel like that's gonna make it look smoother. So another thing that I actually always do, I just tilt my head like back. I see like the little wrinkles and I just fill them with pigment because you might forget those little like ridges. I don't know if you can tell. I zoomed you guys in a little closer so you can see like right there, there's just like little lines you can still see my skin tone from. So I just like to pack that with pigment and then it'll just make it look so pretty and rich. So yeah, that's another tip that I have. Holy shit, this is crazy though. I've never done like an all black lid look. So okay, so I'm gonna go back and do the last 3 steps and apply the layers of color over and over and over again until they are perfectly blended. So I'm just gonna do that off camera because it's gonna take a little bit of a long time. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Guys, when I say this took me hours, it literally took me so long to blend the black with the pink to make it look super well. So I think it came out really good. Okay, so I'm going to continue on with the lower lash line and I'm going to go back in with the Coral Crush palette. And I'm going to go in again with this beautiful peachy shade. And I'm going to be using this Morphe 505 brush. I'm actually gonna go ahead and use this darker shade BFF and I'm just gonna put it tightly on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna be using my Morphe M507 brush. Okay, so I'm gonna move on with the black shade, the Caballeros shade. And then I'm gonna use this brush. It's a Morphe 408 brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go back and use the Morphe 507 brush and then I'm just gonna blend the black with the pink color. Okay, so as you can see, this is an all matte look. So I need some glitter and I think I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line because I love doing that. I'm gonna grab my NYX glitter primer and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line and then I'm gonna grab the Nabla Cosmetics Miami Lights and I think I'm gonna use the pink and brown one and I'm gonna mix them together. This is like my actual dream. Oh my god, let me zoom you guys in. Oh my god, look how pretty that looks. I love it. It looks gorgeous. It looks way better than I thought it was gonna look. Oh my god, I love it, I love it. Okay, so almost done. I am going to do my lips next and I am going to use the Alamar combo, the Dulce lip liner, and then I'm gonna pair that with the Coqueta lip gloss. Alright guys, this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this look, a very alternative Valentine's Day look. So if you want to go a little smoky and dark, you should try this out. Don't forget to give this a like and also leave me a comment. That helps out so much with the algorithm on YouTube for my little channel. So I would really appreciate anything. Leave me an emoji, just anything. It really helps. And also, like I said before, if you guys would like, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so that would help me out so much. I hope you guys have a fun and safe Valentine's Day. Let me know what you guys are doing. I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing. I don't even know what day it lands on, so I'm just like completely out of it. Quarantine life, just like, I can't. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and I will catch you on the next one.